we come from that generation where it was okay for niggas to offer their soul for
Sell
anything.
they soul.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Niggas was willing to do anything for a buck, and niggas is still in the same place that they
Mm,
started at when they went for that buck. You dig what I'm saying?
mm.
So nothing more needs to
I
be
got a
said about
question.
that.
I
So
just
we're
have a
going this way.
question.
We're going this way now. This way that's leading back to you to give you the understanding of why you would do that dumb shit.
Hmm.
And and
Hmm.
and 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 there's a debate that needs to be had. No, let's just acknowledge that we came from a bunch of soulless motherfuckers that now want to
Yeah.
learn about our souls. Like we need to be real.
I
You dig
don't
what I'm
think that
saying?
people, but see, that's what it's like. Y'all be saying such amazing things, and it's like, yo, it's like just stop for a second, not stop, but just
I'm
think of
sorry. I'm sorry.
not even you, but to the people who listen, and just think about what this man is saying for a second, because
Hmm.
it takes a second to elaborate on what you're saying.
Let it sink in.
You're
Yep.
saying that the people that we've looked up to up until this point could care less about selling their souls. Period. So when it came for us to understand what it meant to be great or what it meant to be happy or what it meant to be
Hmm.
solid, it would have been from a person who would have ever so greatly sold his soul because he
Yep.
never even realized that he had a soul. He thought that darkness was light. So
Mm,
he bought the lightness. He bought the darkness. He bought more
mm,
darkness. He bought even more darkness. He passed darkness down to his kids. He told his kids,
mm.
hey, invest in the darkness. The darkness is your salvation. And so what
Yeah.
we have
Yeah.
is a whole race of people who are completely enshrouded in darkness. And the things that I'm
Hmm.
saying is got 44 views on here, but let Megan the Stallion or Beyonce say something out of place or in place or everybody tune into it, everybody gonna tune into it because our
Yeah.
people value darkness. Our people do not value light, and we just need to understand that because they follow people who have
Thank you.
sold their
Thank
souls.
you.
Thank
Thank you.
Mm,
you.
Thank
mm,
you, bro. That's all I was getting to, bro. And you do say I
mm.
use a lot of words, and I'm sorry I might have used too many words, but yo,
Nah, you
Nah,
good,
I
man.
just
Don't apologize.
they just
Don't
need to know
apologize.
what you
I'm good.
they just needed to know what you said because
Right, because that might
they
have went
don't
over some
realize
heads.
it would have went over their heads, bro, because the people that you look up to wouldn't even do the things that you would do in a position of power. So
hmm
Hmm. Hmm.
by default that makes you better than them. But the
hmm
reality is that it's not about what a person can give you. That's what we fucked up at. It's about
Hmm.
unifying your three lights. And we having a lot of fun because this is a YouTube video. When we open up the doors to the class, hey, no talking.
Hmm.
hmm
Hmm.
You know what I'm saying?
Hmm.
Keep your eyes on your own paper. This is
hmm
serious.
hmm
Yeah.
And that's the
You in
only
the back,
reason I
wake
feel
up.
like